Hello, welcome to another lesson with me, Aruna Dantabhaktuni. In today's lesson, we will learn how to create a sample data. In a previous lesson, we actually learned creating sample data that was sequential. In today's lesson, we will actually create a sample data that is random. So let's now do that. Let's create a sample data from 1 to 30, and we are picking 15 random numbers between 1 and 30. However, if we actually rerun this command another time, you will see that there are completely different set of numbers. So in order to control this, we can actually seed this sample number generator. And every time when you seed a sample, you will always get the same set of data. So I would strongly recommend that you take on the practice of seeding your sample data generator. So now let's create another case. In this case, we are requesting that there are 15 samples collected ranging from 1 to 3. However, the program gets to an error because there are not 15 numbers between 1 and 3. However, you could still do that by using this command that is replace equal to true. So now when we run that, the program picks numbers between 1 and 3, but takes 15 different samples of those numbers. We can do the same when it comes to letters as well. So let's do that. So there we go. And we can assign all these that we created so far to certain values. So in this case, let's make it A. Let's make the letters as B. So now let's look at another command called rnorm. And this command is used to generate normal samples with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. So here we are getting 15 numbers fitting that requirement. We can assign that to C here. Another thing what we can also do here is to round them to 2 digits. Now you can also multiply these numbers that were generated with 10. You can even add 100 to those numbers. So as you can see here, that you can actually change the mean and standard deviation by multiplying or adding numbers to the rnorm output. So now let's do what we started out to do, that is to create random data and use that data to create a data frame. So here we go. We are creating a random data frame. So that's it for this lesson. Thank you for joining us. We look forward to seeing you in another of our lessons.